They say only the strong survive. In the stock market, you have to be emotionally strong. If you're emotional about your stocks going down, if you see that your portfolio is red and you're stressing out and you're upset and you want to sell everything and you don't trust the stock market and you don't want to invest no more, then right now it's not the time for you. You might need to get out, because we are doomed and deemed for something to go down even more. We're due for a stock market correction. I don't care what they say. We are due. They've been stretching the rubber band, trying to keep this economy afloat, and eventually that shit's gonna pop. And when it pops, there's gonna be a destruction of stocks and people's finances like no other. But that doesn't mean you don't want to buy stocks, because when the stock market's going down, you want to be buying those stocks on the dip, the stocks on sell. Now, I know people are going to lose their jobs. We're going to have a recession. I really, truly believe that. The knucklehead up there that's in the White House, he don't know what's going on. They don't have a clue up there. Congress is fighting shutdowns, long lines at the airport, housing prices up, mortgage rates up. People car loans are 15%. Car notes are $1,000. You're paying a car note for a Toyota Corolla $700 a month. The economy is in shambles, and we are due for some type of correction, because if not, people are going to be paying $1,000 for a Toyota Corolla a month. People's homes going to be worth millions of dollars. People are not going to be able to shop. I went to Walmart yesterday. A damn steak was like $50. The economy is in shambles. But again, only the strong will survive on the opposite side of this, because you have to be mentally and emotionally strong to invest into the stock market. Everything that's around you is going down. I get it. But don't worry about that. If you have a stock that you really want to buy, you did your research and you know it's going to grow 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now, you got to buy it while it's on sale, man. You can't get distracted by war. You can't get distracted by the economy, food prices, gas prices. No, you have a stock, you got to continue to buy it and buy it and buy it. You want 125 shares, 500 shares, 1,000 shares. Get to that point. That's the point I'm trying to get to. I want to get to the point where I have 1,000 shares of Amazon, 1,000 shares of Apple, maybe 125 shares of Microsoft, things like that. That's what I'm shooting for. And you should do the same thing. A lot of people get on here and tell you like, oh, just invest into ETFs. Yeah, I'll tell you the same thing, but I also want you to buy individual stocks. Do your research and buy individual stocks. Use the QQQ and the VOO as your base for an ETF or index fund in your portfolio, but you should venture out and buy individual stocks. Do not get caught up in, the 60-40 and you should buy this. And no, you did your research. Stocks are on sale. You buy the dip. It's that simple.